Hey guys, wait.
Hi.
Hi,
Is everything okay? Do you need help?
we're okay, but
But our car
yes,
is no.
Okay,
something
Engine is broken. I don't know.
I
To
see.
go.
it
Okay.
starts smoking.
You
Ooh,
could help me with
that's
this.
smelly. Okay, where are you going, guys?
We go to the village, our the city, and our car is broken.
Yes, what happened?
I see. Well, yeah, with this wreck,
You can
you
see.
yes, I see. I'm just saying, with this wreck, you can't go far. I mean, this is a fucked up car. It seems very old.
Oh.
I have to tell you.
If you had a car, you you couldn't help us, but you have a bike.
Yeah, bikes are amazing actually. I love them. I don't understand much about cars and engines. I can't help because I have my personal driver, to be honest. But bikes are just amazing. I mean, I love them. They are so comfortable. They are
Oh.
so practical.
I don't know, no.
This is how I am escaping from the city and from the pressure of town, you know?
The bike are noisy and small.
You saying noisy and
Yeah.
what do you mean? I mean, my exhaust is amazing. I mean, I like the sound.
Oh,
Look
I
at
don't
your
know.
car. I mean, this is a wreck, 20 years old. Come
I
on.
don't know, man. This car, this bike.
Listen, I mean,
You-
I can help you if you like. I can ride you to the nearest station. I mean, especially you, baby. Do you mind? Do you mind to?
I never drive in a car.
I don't know, but
I never
I know, Marco.
riding in a bike. Maybe I try.
Well, tell me, guys.
I
Do
don't
you
know.
need help or not?
Please,
I don't
can I
know.
go with
but
him? Please.
Okay.
I promise.
Okay.
I promise.
But
I
go
try.
back
I
to me,
just
okay?
try. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Go, enjoy it.
I will take her to the nearest petrol station. Okay.
Okay. But go back to me.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
I will take good
I'll
care of
just
her.
try.
Okay.
Okay. I believe you.
Okay. You jump.
Can you
Jump
help
on.
me?
Wow. The style. I already like you as a biker. Your girlfriend is very hot. I will take care of her, okay? Don't worry.
Okay.
Let's go. Yes, you can hold my
It's okay.
shoulders.
See you.
Okay. What if you hold my waist like this?
This one.
I really love
Okay.
it. Wow. It's good. Just trust me.
Bye.
I need to wait.
Ooh, it's so nice.
I'm happy you
I
love
like
it.
it so much.
I'm happy you love it.
Ooh.
We can have even more fun if you like.
Yeah.
I want you to breathe
so
now.
Nice. Yeah. I'm
yes.
liking.
Yes. Breathe. This is the freedom I was talking
Yeah.
about. Okay.
Why we stop?
I will explain you. No worries. I know you are surprised, but listen, I just wanted to show you how beautiful this place
Yes.
is. This is where you want to go basically with your boyfriend, right?
Yes.
Nature, get out from the city. I know. Listen, I'm older man. I'm learning, okay? And I want you to teach you.
Yes. You can.
Perfect, sounds good.